श्रीमान गाड़ी बढ़ाना शुरू करने के अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय श्रीमान। श्रीमान गार्ड बॉर्डर आपकी निरीक्षण के लिए आलिनाब। जय श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान। श्रीमान गार्ड विसर्जन करने के अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय श्रीमान। सेंट्री कर रहे बाकी गार्ड विसर्जन। जय श्रीमान।
Mohan garu, Secretary and Correspondent. President garu. Society,
Dr. KLP School Secretary and a very famous pediatrician. And his father was the longest secretary. Also he is Secretary of Law, JC College of Law in a Dr. C. Gopichand. He is the president. చాలా వాటిలో ఉన్నారు మా ఇండియన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ అందరూ షేర్ చేస్తారు. రండి.
Okay. Start.
To all of you, let us start the program with Vande Mataram. Please rise in your seats.
सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित ध्रुवदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीप ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता.
Has been called to confer the original degrees upon the candidates who have been certified worthy of these degrees by Acharya Nagarjuna University. I now declare the commencement of the mini convocation. Welcome address by the principal. Welcome address by the principal.
And today's chief guest, Kota Madhumurthy Garu, and today's guest of honor, Professor K. Ratnashila Mani Garu, Rector of Acharya Nagarjuna University, executive members of our JKC College, Honorable HODs, heads of the departments, staff members, retired staff members, and then students, guests, and the press. My humble salutations to you all. It is with immense pride and joy that I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you to this very special occasion, the mini convocation of JKC College. Today it marks an important milestone in the academic journey of our graduating students, and we are gathered here to celebrate their achievements, hard work, and perseverance. Convocation is not merely a ceremony. It is a testament to the dedication, commitment that our students have displayed throughout their time at JKC College. It signifies the culmination of their efforts and the beginning of new opportunities, challenges, as well as aspirations. At JKC, we believe in fostering not just academic excellence, but also in nurturing values, leadership, and above all, innovation. Our students have not only excelled in their studies, but have also demonstrated outstanding character, discipline, and a drive for success. As they step into the next phase of their lives, whether in higher education, research, or professional careers, we are confident that they will make meaningful contributions to society and uphold values instilled in them during their course in our college. I take this pride to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the dedicated faculty members who have been instrumental in shaping these young minds, and also to the parents who have been pillars of support, and to the magnanimous management for their unwavering encouragement. Most importantly, I congratulate the students who have reached a remarkable milestone. As you walk forward from this institution, remember that learning is a lifelong and lifetime journey. Let your knowledge be a tool for progress, your skills a means for change, and your education a foundation for a better future. Believe in yourself, embrace the challenges with confidence, and continue to strive for excellence in all that you do. Thank you and wish you all the best. Great fortune that we have literary luminaries on the stage. Let us welcome our chief guest, Kota Madhumurthy Garu, Chairman, APSHI. Let us give a clap for his time with us on this stage. A brief biography of the great luminary. Dr. Madhumurthy Garu is a distinguished academician and administrator, currently serving as the chairman of Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education, with over 37 years of experience in mechanical engineering, research, entrepreneurship, and academic leadership. He has made significant contributions to higher education policy, institutional development, and technical education in India. Prior to his current role, Professor Murthy Garu served as Professor HAG at the National Institute of Technology, Warangal, where he also held several key administrative positions, including Dean, Faculty Welfare, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and Registrar, additional charge at both NIT Warangal and NIT Delhi. Professor Murthy Garu holds a PhD in Mechanical Engineering from the erstwhile Regional Engineering College, Warangal in 1998, an MTech in IC Engines and Gas Turbines, a BE in Mechanical Engineering, and a postgraduate diploma in Business Administration. His multidisciplinary qualifications reflect his strong foundations in both engineering and management. That's why he is here in APSHI, changing the future of our young students and engineers. As an advisor at AICTE, he played a pivotal role in national level policy formulation, curricular reform, governance, restructuring, and coordination of national institutes of technology. His research expertise lies in internal combustion engines, biofuels, solar energy, and rocket propellants. A fellow of the Institution of Engineers, India, the Andhra Pradesh Academy of Sciences, and the Indian Institution of Production Engineers, he has actively led entrepreneurship and skill development initiatives, established incubation centers, and organized numerous capacity building programs. Under his leadership in MIT Warangal, achieved nearly 100% placements for graduate students. Let us give a big applause for his mammoth efforts. Professor Murthy Garu has received several prestigious awards and honors, including the British Council TCTP Fellowship in 1996 under the Indo-UK RECs project, which provided training on entrepreneurial small business development and technology transfer at leading UK universities. Now, at APSHI, Professor Murthy Garu is steering major reforms in higher education policy, promoting academic innovation and fostering strong industry-academia collaboration to build a future-ready education system in Andhra Pradesh. He is here today sparing his valuable time, perhaps changing the young minds for the future development of India. Thank you, sir, for your time and presence at JKC College. Now, it's my great honor and pleasure to introduce our rector at Acharya Nagarjuna University, Professor K. Ratnashila Mani Garu. She is a distinguished academician serving as a professor of English in the Department of English at Acharya Nagarjuna University. With an illustrious teaching career of 37 years as of April 2024, she has established herself as a prominent scholar and educator in the fields of phonetics, linguistics, English language teaching, Indian writing English, and British and European literature. Another multidisciplinary, talented woman is here. Let's give a clap for her achievements. Professor Ratnashila Mani Garu holds not only MA at Andhra University, followed by MPhil from Anna University. She has completed her postgraduate diploma in teaching of English from prestigious CFL Hyderabad, and she was awarded a PhD from Nagarjuna University in 1995 for her insightful thesis titled Written English of Telugu Speaking Students, a Study in Error Analysis. It made a great mark in the error analysis. Throughout her academic journey, Professor Mani Garu has received numerous accolades in recognition of her excellence in research and teaching. Notably among these are the Best Research Paper Awards for many years, 2009, 13, 14, 15 and 19. Best Teacher Award from the Government of Andhra Pradesh in 2016 and the Best Senior Research Award from Acharya Nagarjuna University in 2018. She was also honored among the top 50 women educators in India. She received Savitri Bhai Phule Visishta Puruskaram in the same year, that is in 2020. Ratnashila Mani Garu has held a wide range of significant academic and administrative roles. She served almost all the capacities from the principal of Acharya Nagarjuna University, Arts, Commerce and Law, and as the Dean of Faculty of Humanities. She was also the Director of IQAC, long period 2012 to 2019, and has twice led the Department of English as its head. In addition, she has chaired the PG Board of Studies during multiple terms and coordinated both the research cell and academic affairs. An active member of both national and international associations, Professor Ratnashila Mani Garu holds leadership positions in several professional bodies. She is the Vice President of the Indian Association of Canadian Studies and a member of Systemic Functional Linguistics Association and the Dravidian Linguistics Association. She is also a prominent figure in many number of editorial boards, India and abroad. Her research contributions are extensive with 125 published research papers, 5 books. She has successfully supervised 29 PhD dissertations and with 8 more in progress. And in addition, she guided 23 MPhil scholars, and she has presented 83 research papers at national and international conferences. Let us give a big clap for her academic achievements as well as her research abilities. Professor Ratnashila Manigaru had made lasting contributions to curriculum development and higher education policy at both state and national levels. She has been a member and convener on numerous curriculum committees, a government nominee and a governing body member for several autonomous colleges, and an advisor and external member for more than 40 boards of studies and academic councils across the board. Her dedication to academic excellence, impactful research and visionary leadership continues to inspire students, scholars, educators in the field of English studies and beyond. And I am very proud to say that I am the student of Ratnashila Manigaru at Nagarjuna University. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Coming to the college, as when I am the principal and when you are the Dean of Acharya Nagarjuna University, thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity.
Mini convocation address by the Chief Guest. Mini convocation address by the Chief Guest.
Dr. Rayapati Srinivas garu, President of the College, Professor Ratnashila Mani Madam, Rector, Acharya Nagarjuna University, Sri Jarlamudi Murali Mohan garu, Secretary, Kondabolu Krishna Prasad garu, Chukupalli Ramesh garu, Srinivas garu, SRK Prasad garu, Gopi Chand garu, members of the governing body, esteemed Director, Principal, Faculty and Staff, distinguished guests, proud parents, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, my warm greetings to you all. It is both an honor and joy to be amidst you today on this proud and memorable occasion, the first convocation of Jayarlamudi Kuppuswamy Chowdhury College, Guntur, a respected institution of repute that has stood tall since its establishment in 1968, dedicated to academic excellence and holistic development. It's indeed the JKC College, established in the memory of a legendary figure, late Sri Jayarlamudi Kuppuswamy Chowdhury garu, a visionary and a paragon of excellence, whose multifaceted personality continues to inspire generations as a scholar, politician, social worker, philanthropist, and an educationist. He left an indelible mark on the annals of history, particularly Guntur. His unwavering commitment to education and societal welfare earned him a revered place in the hearts of the people. The JKC College stands as a testament to his enduring legacy, fostering academic excellence and nurturing future leaders. His remarkable contributions continue to shine the golden letters illuminating the path for all. I am indeed deeply humbled and honored to be the chief guest at the first convocation of the JKC College, an institution renowned for its commitment to academic excellence. I feel privileged to be a part of this momentous occasion. JKC College, affiliated to Acharya Nagarjuna University, well recognized by UGC and accredited by NAC, is a symbol of progressive education in Andhra Pradesh. With modern infrastructure, digital classrooms, state-of-the-art laboratories, and vibrant platforms like NSS, NCC, and cultural wings. This college is not just a place of learning, it is a launching pad for future leaders. Congratulations, dear graduates. This moment is yours. We celebrate your achievements. But let me also take a moment to appreciate those behind you, your parents who stood by you with unconditional support, and your teachers whose dedication and membership have brought you to this day. Please join me in giving them a heartful round of applause. More than just a degree. While this ceremony is about awarding degrees, I want to share an important message. Education is meant for knowledge, not just to collect certificates and degrees. A degree is valuable, yes, but it is only a symbol of academic completion. What truly matters is the knowledge and skills you have gained all the way. In today's fast-changing world, employers are no longer asking you just what degree you possess, but want to know whether you could solve real-world problems, whether you are able to communicate well, can you work in a team, can you keep learning and adapting. In a world where jobs and ideas are global and competition is high, just having a degree is not enough. The jobs of tomorrow will demand skills, adaptability, creativity, and above all, the commitment for lifelong learning. These are qualities that matter most today. Your college education was not just about exams and grades. It was about learning how to learn, how to think, grow, and act responsibly. It helped you build not only subject knowledge, but also habits, values, relationships, and that will support you all your life. We should understand that the world is changing fast. We are living in a time of rapid technological change. New discoveries and digital tools are all over, shaping, reshaping the world around us, how we live, how we work, and how we connect. In this dynamic environment, your role as a graduate is more important than ever. You are not just degree holders, you are the builders of the future, equipped with skills, insights, and courage to lead the way. I quote Franklin D. Roosevelt, former President of the United States, once said, "We cannot always build a future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future." Unquote. That is what this college has aimed to do, prepare you for the future. The road ahead will offer great opportunities, but it also brings challenges. New technologies will change how we work and how we live. But through all these changes, one thing will remain important: your ability to think clearly, act wisely, and grow continuously and keep learning. You can no longer wait for opportunities. You must learn to create them. The power of knowledge and innovation is to be realized. India is becoming a knowledge-driven economy where the most valuable resources is not land or machinery, but human talent and innovation. You are a part of it. The government of Andhra Pradesh is also moving in this direction with initiatives and programs supporting sectors like IT, healthcare, logistics, agriculture. The state is preparing youth for the future. A country can grow only when its youth assumes leadership in the role of job generators than job seekers. You too have a role to play. Many successful startups in India today are led by young graduates who did not come from elite families or institutions, but who had a clear idea, the right skills, and the confidence to solve real problems. You can be one of them. Entrepreneurship not only solves the problems of unemployment, it plays a significant role in economic growth. Don't just look for jobs, be ready to create jobs, to build teams, and to contribute to a society with a shared vision, Swarna Andhra Pradesh 2047. As we move towards the year 2047, marking 100 years of India's independence, the government of Andhra Pradesh has launched Swarnandhra Vision. This vision aims to transform the state into a hub of innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainable growth. The progress, sustainability, and inclusive development is the philosophy of Swarnandhra. Dear graduates, you are the torchbearers of this vision. Your education, values, and energy will shape the future of our state and our nation. Let your personal goals be aligned with the larger goals of progress and service. Keep learning, always. Let me remind you, today is not the end of your education, it is only the beginning again. According to the World Economic Forum, 44% of workers' core skills will change by 2027. This means that what you know today may not be enough tomorrow. Update, and unless you continue to learn, adapt, and grow. So, I encourage you to keep learning, read beyond your textbooks, learn new tools and technologies, seek mentors and mentor others. Let learning be a lifelong habit. To sum up, study not just for a degree, but to gain knowledge. Knowledge builds skills, skills create value, and value gives you the power to shape the future. Go forward with confidence, be curious, be kind, be brave, and remember, the world is not just waiting for your degree, it's waiting for your contributions. As you leave the gates of this great institution today, do so with pride, not just for what you have earned, but for what you are capable of becoming. Whether you pursue jobs, higher education, entrepreneurship, or service, do it with integrity, with purpose, and with a desire to grow. I wish each of you a successful career, a meaningful life, and a future filled with purpose, possibilities, and progress. Congratulations once again. Jai Hind.
Message by the guest of honor.
Distinguished guests on the dais, Dr. Raipati Srinivas Garu, President, members of the governing body, the principal, faculty, distinguished guests, proud parents, and graduates, and all other invitees, and other staff. Good evening to all of you. I am indeed very glad and proud to be part of this mini convocation of this college, JKC College. Well, actually, over the years and decades, I had been part of its activities in different capacities, either as a subject expert in boards of studies or in other bodies and so on. I had been frequently coming to this college, and now I am really proud that this college, having become autonomous, is also organizing its first mini convocation, and I know it is a proud moment for all of you, for the students, for the faculty who groomed you, who mentored you, and who taught you, and for all the parents who have supported you all these years. And as per the wise advice of our chief guest, Professor Madhumurthy Garu. I mean, it is this is not just a ceremony for awarding degrees. Yes, this is a special occasion in which degrees are awarded, certificates are awarded, of course. And but then that is not the end of the thing. What you have learned along the way, your wisdom, your skills, your knowledge. And because that is important, because the world is fast growing and technology is changing, and I mean all those wise sayings that our chairman has imparted to you. Things will never be static. It is a fast growing world where everything will be changing, and if you are not updating your own knowledge and your own skills, I think there is the risk of being left far behind. And after this point, as there are many jobs which need only a graduate degree as eligibility. So you may be entering some employment, some form of employment or other. Others may be going for higher education, post-graduation, and then research and so on. Others may, and I think now we are being told again and again to be not job seekers but job creators, to be providers of wealth, and not just consumers of wealth or because of your parents' support or whatever. So unless you equip yourself in this fast changing environment, I think there is a risk of being left behind. And I am very glad to be part of this momentous occasion, and particularly in the company of our distinguished guest, Professor Madhumurthy Garu, and we honorable members of JKC College family. I think I shouldn't say more on this occasion. I wish all of the graduates a bright future in their careers or in their personal life or whatever, and keep on learning, because the situation has changed now. You don't have to learn only from your teachers now. There is so much around you, from which sources around you, from which you can have your knowledge and your skills. You can learn many skills also through YouTube and so on. So there are always avenues for improving yourself, your own skills, your own knowledge, updating yourself to keep in touch with the fast changing developments and so on. So I hope you will always be a learner, a lifelong learner, and may that keep you in good stead. Thank you for giving me this honor.
All the students to stand in their seats, positions. Now we are taking the graduates' pledge. After my saying, I will stretch my hand, then you also stretch your hand, and you have to say, I do promise. Did you get me? Thank you. Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and declare that if admitted to the degree for which you have qualified, you will in your daily life and conversation conduct yourself and become worthy members of the university? Stretch your hand and say, I do promise. Of true learning and the service of your fellow men.
I do promise.
Do you solemnly and sincerely promise that you will faithfully and diligently fulfill the duties of the procession to which you will eventually belong, and that you will on all occasions maintain its purity and reputation?
I will promise.
Shall then read along with me. By virtue of the authority vested in me, Principal of Jagalamudi Kupsam Chaudhary College, Guntur, I admit you to the several degrees for which you have been declared qualified by Acharya Nagarjuna University, Nagarjuna Nagar. Please take your seats. Thank you.
Respondent Jagalamudi Murali Mohan Garu, the chief guest of the day, Professor K. Madhumurthy Garu, the guest of honor of the day, Professor Ratna Shilamani garu, the other members of the executive body, the heads of the departments, the retired principals, the secretary and correspondent of RVR College of Education, the retired principals, the retired teachers, parents, and my dear graduate students. It gives me an immense pleasure to call you onto the dais to receive the awardees from our chief guest Madhumurthy garu. Now I request Daniel, you please help our secretary and correspondent come on to the dais. M. Harita,
సార్ కొద్ది గ్యాప్ ఉంది సార్, కొద్ది మధ్యలో కొద్ది సార్ సార్ కొద్ది జరగండి. రైట్, ఓకే 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 రైట్.
G. Amulya, N. Triveni,
ఓకే ఓకే
Sri Chandana, Maunika,
ఓకే
and Sankirtana.
మా చూడమ్మా.
T. Bhargav,
మా లుక్ హియర్.
please
మా చూడు.
make a move, man. Run out. Bhargav,
మా లుక్ హియర్.
Sheikh, Sheikh Ashik,
సార్ లుక్ హియర్.
K. Venkatesh, T. Swati,
సార్ లుక్ జరుగు.
G. Sai Prasanna,
రైట్ సార్.
D. Vaishnavi,
సార్ లుక్ హియర్.
Nagasai Kedar Murthy. Next please. M. Rakesh,
లుక్ హియర్ మా.
P. Dinesh Sai Kumar, Ayesha Parveen,
మా చూడమ్మా. సార్ లుక్ హియర్.
Now I request Ram Prasad to come. Ram Prasad, please. Thank you, Daniel. M. Lalita, Sheikh Sultana,
మధ్యలోకి అమ్మా.
Kalpana,
మనం ఉన్నాం.
Priyanka,
ఎక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఆగండి ఆగండి మేడం కొద్దిగా.
Sri Lakshmi,
ఓకే లుక్ హియర్. రైట్ రమ్మా.
Nikita,
అమ్మ ముందుకు వచ్చి ఉంచా. ఓకే లుక్
Hari
హియర్.
Sainath,
సార్ ప్లీజ్.
E. Bhavani,
మా
Sai
సార్
Alekia,
లుక్ హియర్.
Anita Madhavi,
మా లుక్ హియర్.
Lakshmi Tirupatamma, Nagalakshmi,
మా లుక్ హియర్. సార్ ప్లీజ్.
Vijaya Vasanti,
మా లుక్ హియర్. సార్ ప్లీజ్.
Sheikh John Saida, Venkateswarlu, J. Anil, Hemant Sai, Narayan Babu, Sadiq,
Machurama.
Sheikh Sadiq,
రైట్.
Sheikh Asin, Rajsekhar Reddy, please.
ఓకే లుక్ హియర్.
Srinivasulu,
మా రండి ముందుకు రా. ఓకే లుక్ హియర్.
Mahesh,
సార్ ప్లీజ్.
Sai Prasanna Reddy, Harish,
సార్ లుక్ హియర్.
Hemant, Ravi Teja, Ramakrishna, Prasanna Kumar, please. Pawan Kumar, Sheikh John Saida,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mohan Ram,
Sir.
Muhammad, Sheikh Muhammad, Sheikh Subhani,
Sir. Right. Okay.
Shravani, Rahim Unnisa,
Sir, please.
thank you Ram Prasad. Now I request R. Srinivasa.
Wait. Okay. Sir, please. Sir, please.
T. Kavya, K. Swati,
Sir, please.
Kavya, please. Swati,
Sir, please.
Shravani, next slide please.
Sir, please.
Yamini, Nitsi, Kiranmayi Sri, Siva Parvati, Sunita, Sai Lakshmi, Vaishnavi, Muhammad Tasneem, Jhansi,
Okay, ma'am.
Lakshmi Sirisha,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Look at sir.
Lalita Varsha,
Sir, please.
Narayanamma, Anusha, Nandini,
Okay, ma'am.
Shobha Rani, Sai Satya Vasishta, Vazakali,
Okay. Sir, please.
G. Naveen,
Sir, please.
Narsimha Rao,
Sir, please. Okay.
Narsimha Rao, Nagasai, Jagdish.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you, Rayapet Srinivas. Now I request Y. Venkateswar Rao to help our secretary and please come. Afzal, Ashok,
Sir, you. Sir.
Lakshmi Devi, Jyoti, please. Jyoti.
Sir, please.
Please come. Lakshmi Devi, Jyoti, Vanita,
Ma'am.
One by one.
Vijay Lakshmi Y, Amala,
Look, ma'am.
Navyasri, Savana Jyoti,
Look, ma'am.
Manisha, Yasoda,
Madam.
Shravani, Vanaja, Hasna Tapsam,
Look, ma'am.
Vasanti, Nehalata,
Look, ma'am.
Sai Saudanya, Sujana,
Look, ma'am.
Rukmini, Aparna, Mahalakshmi,
Look,
Geetika, Pujita, Anusha, Sudharani,
Madam.
Sri Pada Nivedita,
Madam.
P. Mamata, Venila P. Lakshmi Soumya,
Look, ma'am.
Meher Jesse, Jayasri, Venkatalahari Rekha, Lakshmi Mahita,
Sir, please.
P. Saraswati,
Look, ma'am.
Nitin,
Sir, please.
Ganesh Kumar,
Machudam.
Ankarao,
Sir, please.
Narendra, Ganesh,
Look, sir.
Nani, Jeevan Kumar,
Sir, please.
Pavan Prakash,
Sir, please.
Praveen, Sheikh Ibrahim,
Sir, please.
Praveen Kumar, Ganesh,
Sir, please.
Sivakumar Reddy,
Sir, please.
Venkata Satyasai, Srikantachari,
Look at.
Jagadish, Gnanavardhan Reddy, Mahesh Babu,
Sir, please.
Ramanjaneyudu, Nikesh, Nabi, Nasiruddin, Shahid, Yosef,
Right.
Ravi Teja, Himaja Naga Mahasurya, Nagendra Babu. Thank you, Venkatesh Garu.
Good. Bravo.
మీరు ఆఫీసర్స్ మీరు వచ్చేస్తారు
Sir, please. Sir, please.
I request Gaurav Shankar garu, Dr. Gaurav Shankar garu.
Cricket. Sir, please. Sir, sir, please.
I request Gaurav Shankar garu to assist our secretary. E. Asvita. R. Durgabai. R. Durgabai. P. Farzana. Sheikh Mubina.
Cricket.
Sheikh Sabina. Yeah.
Sir, cricket.
K. Navia Blessy.
Yeah, only. Sir, please.
B. Sagar. C. H. Anil Kumar.
Sir, please.
C. H. Anil
Cricket.
Kumar.
Cricket, ma'am.
G. Venkata Sriram.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
P. V. S. N. D. Surya Martanda.
Sir, cricket.
P. Rahul Kumar.
Sir, please.
R. Veeranjaneyulu.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
S. Sai Krishna.
Sir, please.
P. Shahid Khan.
Sir, please.
K. Anand.
Please.
S. Sai Saujanya. P. Nagendra Babu. P. Murali Krishna.
Sir, please.
Y. Sivannagaraju. G. Dinesh.
Sir.
K. Harsha.
అది ఒకటి కట్ చేసాను అంతవరకు ఏమీ
K. Anagadatta Hemant. M. Yogi Rambabu. S. Go.
ఓకే మా లుక్ ఎట్ ప్లీజ్ రైట్ లుక్ మ్యామ్ మా తిరిగమ్మా రామా మా తిరగండి
C. S. G. Rangapriya, Sheikh Alina,
సార్ ప్లీజ్ మరి తిరుగుమా. ఓకే.
B. Lalita Sri Vaishnavi,
రైట్.
G. Harshita,
మరి తిరుగుమా. రైట్.
K. Sridevi,
ఓకేమ్మా మరి తిరుగుమా.
G. Yamuna,
ఓకే.
Sheikh Atia,
ఓకేమ్మా.
N. Triveni,
తిరుగుమా.
N. Sridivya,
రామ్మా రండి ఒకళ్ళు రండి ఫాస్ట్ ముందు రండి కొద్దిగా. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
M. Kirtana Vaishnavi,
తిరుగుమా.
T. Manjeera, G. Durga Devi,
తిరుగుమా తిరుగుమా. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
K. Haindavi, N. Sirisha, B. C. H. Venkata Subbarao,
మరి రైట్.
K. Dharanish Kumar,
ఓకే 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 రైట్.
M. Naresh, M. Abhishek, B. Sudhir, R. Pavan Kumar. Thank you, Gauri Shankar. And I request Sri M. Apparao Garu to assist our secretary and correspondent.
జరుగుమా ముందు జరుగు ముందుకెళ్ళి ఇద్దరు ఇట్లా తిరుగు.
N. Srilata,
మరి తిరుగుమా. రైట్.
G. Pavani,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
M. Venkata Nagavardhini,
ఓకే ఓకే తిరుగుమా.
వాళ్ళ చూడమ్మా.
మా తిరుగు.
S. D. John B,
వాళ్ళు చూస్తున్నా కూడా అర్థం కాదు, అబ్జర్వ్ చేయరాదు, కూర్చోన్నా కూడా. మరి తిరుగుమా.
Sheikh Rahimunnisa,
అలా పిలుస్తున్నారు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు చూడరా. ఓకే మ్యామ్.
M. Sandhya, B. Lakshmi Devi,
ఓకే ఓకే అమ్మా.
Sheikh Shabnam,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
D. Saira Banu,
మా పిల్లలు
T. Deepthi Sri,
ఓకే ఓకే అమ్మా.
G. Biola, A. Dhanalakshmi,
ఓకే
N. Divya,
మరి
A. Prashanti, K. Nagaraju,
బాబు చూడమ్మా.
K. Sivakoteswari, N. Hemant,
ఓకే ఓకే కొంచెం ఉంది ఓకే
P. Himabindu, T. Sravani, G. Lakshmi Komali,
ఓకే క్లియర్ సార్ కొద్దిగా రైట్ ఓకే మళ్ళీ
G. Venkata Purushottam Reddy, S. Mahip Reddy, A. Ramesh Babu,
సార్ క్లియర్
Mohit Reddy D,
ఫోన్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా
G. Venkat Vijay Kumar Yadav,
సార్ కొద్ది జరిగింది ముందు సార్ క్లియర్ సార్
Hemant P, MD Parvez,
క్లియర్ సార్
K. Tirupati Vasu,
క్లియర్ పట్టుకో సార్ ప్లీజ్
C. H. Venkata Rajesh,
ఓకే సార్ ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ సార్ ప్లీజ్
G. Hemant,
సార్ ప్లీజ్ రైట్
G. Sagar,
సార్ ప్లీజ్ రైట్
K. Vamsi,
రన్నింగా సార్ ప్లీజ్
K. Karthik,
మేము షిఫ్టింగ్
K. Ramu,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
K. Nagarjuna,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
N. Jagadish Babu,
క్లియర్
N. Manoj,
ఓకే
R. Pawan Kalyan Nayak,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
T. Venkatesh,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
V. Durga Prasad,
సార్ క్లియర్
G. Mallikarjuna,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
G. Sunil Kumar,
రైట్
G. Varavenunath,
రాజర్
N. Kishore Reddy,
మేడం బై ఎట్రా ఇటు
S. Purna Santoshi,
ఓకే క్లియర్ సార్
Sheikh Nagor Shahrukh,
క్లియర్ మా
K. Vasanta,
సార్ ప్లీజ్ మేడం రైట్
S. Varalakshmi,
క్లియర్ మా
K. Yasoda,
క్లియర్ మా చూడమ్మా
N. Akila,
మా చూడు క్లియర్
K. Varshini,
ముందుకు రమ్మా ముందుకెళ్ళి ఓకే రెడీ
P. Reshma Kanum,
Malik.
Nandini J.
Look here, ma'am. Madam, please.
P. Chaitanya Lakshmi,
Chisel, sir, kitchen go this one. Come. Okay.
C. H. Triveni,
Okay, ma'am.
T. Kausalya,
Look here, ma'am.
J. Swati,
Look here, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Sheikh Afrin,
Okay, look here.
I. Kanti Sneha,
Ma'am, look here. Madam, please. Madam, ముగ్గురు కావచ్చు.
I. Kanti Sneha, P.
Okay.
Tejaswini,
Sir, please, madam.
Sheikh Amiran,
Okay, ma'am.
M. Harshita,
Please look here.
P. Sivapuja, P. Gayatri,
Look here, ma'am.
G. Setu Nagalakshmi,
Look here, ma'am.
T. Lavanya,
Look here.
Harshit B.
Look here, ma'am.
B. Ravikumar,
Please. దగ్గర ముందుకెళ్ళి ముందు జరు ఓకే లుక్ హియర్ రైట్
M. Srihari,
ఓకే లుక్ హియర్
B. Lokesh,
ఓకే లుక్ హియర్ మేడం
B. Durga Naresh,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
G. Gopi,
ఓకే లుక్ హియర్
V. Akhil Kumar,
బాబు
B. Vasu,
బాబు ఓకే లుక్ హియర్ మేడం ప్లీజ్
P. Revant Kumar,
కొద్ది ముందు జరుగు కొద్ది ఓకే రైట్ లుక్ హియర్ మేడం ప్లీజ్
P. Shanmukha Krishna,
మేడం ప్లీజ్
N. Avinash,
సార్ ప్లీజ్
C. H. Kalpana, K. Satya Prabhakar,
బాబు
K. Venkata Sai Sambasarao, N. Kaushik, SD Nafi Sanamzam, V. Bindu,
Madam, please.
N. Dharani,
Please.
M. Pravalika, KSLA Raghavi,
ముందు జరగమ్మా. ఓకే రెడీ.
G. Golu Tiwari, G. Lahari Pujita, B. Shravani,
लिखे मैम.
S. Rajesh,
బాబు తిరగమ్మా.
V. Lohit Sri Krishna,
బాబు చూడు.
B. Guru Durga Prasad Reddy,
బాబు లిఖే.
P. Bharat,
ఓకే కొద్ది ముందు జరుగు. రైట్.
M. Akshay,
బాబు ముందు జరుగు. ఓకే రెడీ.
G. Sunny Babu,
ఓ ఓ బాబు రెడీ. లిఖే మేడం.
Sheikh Shahid Ali,
సార్ లిఖే.
Sheikh Riyas,
బాబు తిరగమ్మా.
BC. Okay.
ఓకే లిఖే.
Dr. Y. Prashanti Garu, please come and assist our secretary and correspondent.
ఓకే ఓకే వన్ మేడం మేడం ఒకసారి ఒక సెకండ్. ఓకే
Sheikh Riyas, T. Sivakamal,
మేడం గుర్తు. ఓకే లిఖే.
M. Venkata Rambabu,
ఇచ్చేయండి మేడం. ఓకే మేడం ఇచ్చేయండి.
MD Atur Rahman,
ఓకే సార్.
SD Hassan,
ఓకే లిఖే.
B. Narasimha,
ఓకే లిఖే.
T. Balamanikanta,
ఓకే లిఖే.
P. Sivareddy,
రైట్ ఓకే.
P. Ramya,
ఓకే లిఖే మ్యామ్. ఓకే బ్రిగేడ్.
U. Jyoti Sai,
లేదు దాంట్లో. ఓకే లిఖే మ్యామ్. సార్ ప్లీజ్.
CH Gopinath,
ఓకే సార్ ప్లీజ్. మేడం ప్లీజ్.
P. Anil Kumar,
సార్ ఓకే లిఖే.
M. Akila,
ఓకే లిఖే.
Sheikh Khalil,
లిఖే మ్యామ్. సార్ ప్లీజ్.
Sheikh Nagul Mera,
కొద్ది జరగమ్మా. ముందు జరుగు కొద్దిగా ముందు జరుగు రైట్ చలో మేడం ప్లీజ్ మేడం ప్లీజ్ మేడం మేడం ప్లీజ్ మేడం ఓకే
K. Ganesh,
మేడం ప్లీజ్
C.H. Sairam,
ఇచ్చేది సార్ మేడం గారు
S. Ganesh, V. Venkata Aravind,
ఇచ్చేయండి సార్
N. Sravanti,
ఓకే చూడమ్మా
P. Zabibullah Khan, Sheikh Naveed, C.H. Monica, Sheikh Amir Ahmad Basha, N. Rashma, G. Venkatarama Reddy,
లాస్ట్లో వచ్చేసి సార్ కొద్దిగా సార్ కొద్దిగా ఓకే రెడీ రైట్ ఓకే లిపి కొద్ది జరగం ఓకే ఓకే లిపి మేడం ఒకసారి ఓకే సార్ ఓకే అండి సార్ ప్లీజ్ సెంట్రల్ కొద్దిగా ముందు జరుగు ఓకే అండి బాబు కొద్దిగా జరుగు ముందు జరుగు ఓకే రెడీ సార్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ ఓకే మా ఓకే ఓకే రెడీ క్లియర్ సార్ బాబు కొద్దిగా ఓకే రెడీ
K. Karthik Nagasai,
బాబు
T. Sambasarao.
ఓకే లిఖియర్
Thank you, one and all.
Confer the degree certificates in absentia upon the eligible candidates who are unable to attend the convocation.
Permission granted.
Okay, sir. Dignitaries, dear parents, retired faculty, retired principals, and beloved fresh graduates, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this momentous occasion of the mini convocation. I move that the sincere thanks of the mini convocation be tendered to our esteemed chief guest, Professor K. Madhumurthy Garu, Honorable Chairman, AP State Council of Higher Education, for gracing this occasion with his distinguished presence and inspiring address. We are equally grateful to Professor K. Ratnashila Garu, Honorable Rector, Acharya Nagarjuna University, for her invaluable presence and gracious blessings.
We also express our deep appreciation to the members of the executive body, heads of the departments, esteemed staff, retired principals, the parents and the graduates whose support and participation have made this ceremony truly memorable. Let this day be a cherished milestone in the lives of our graduates and a proud moment for all of us gathered here. Thank you one and all.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I request all the